Now, if you thought today's show couldn't get any cheesier, then you're wrong, all right? Because we are bringing you the most unbelievable, got that, cheese boards we're obsessed with on Instagram and giving you a no-fuss twist you can enjoy any night of the week. Love it.
Can't stop, won't stop. But first, has anyone else seen this new take on a cheese board? It's called a jar cuttery or charcuterie cup. It's sort of brilliant. It's a no-touch solution to the cheese board, right? You have your individual cup that has a little bit of everything. So easy to walk around a dinner party with, and you don't have to share with anyone because I want all the cheese for myself.
There you go, Gail.
Well, but you're so right. Also, you don't have to, you like have everything all in one, ready-made for you, so you don't have to keep going back to the well,
clever.
you know?
Yep.
I love that. Well, I'm kind of obsessed with this burrata board from Ain't Too Proud to Meg. Her boards are gorgeous, and the combination here is unreal to me. It's the cheese drizzling with a little fat from an extra virgin olive oil, paired with sweet fruit, salty prosciutto. I can literally already taste this in my mouth. I know exactly what that tastes like, and it looks so good.
All right. I know, right? Okay, well, let me just tell you, I am not your everyday girl.
Oh, she's still going.
I'm still bringing them. I got it, right? Good. Because my ideal cheese board is this queso board right here.
Hello.
Yes, can we take her in for a moment because it has American cheese, and the base, it just melts so perfectly with American cheese. Then we have a little pepper jack mixed in there because that adds the flavor. And then you just add whatever you like. You've got some veggies, some tortilla chips in there, and we made our own tortilla chips because we're fancy like that.
What is it about queso? It's the spicy cheesiness that
Got a little cumin in there.
makes me
green
happy.
chili.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's the green chilies.
The green chili and the smokiness. There's
Tex-Mex.
definitely some heat in there, like a little chipotle heat or something.
Okay.
Oh, it's good. Oh, Jamaica. You got it.
Nailed
Amazing.
it. Loved it.
All right, are you ready for dessert?
There's
Not
more.
really. I
But
kinda
wait,
wanna have
there's
it.
more.
Keep eating. What I will tell you, the twist on a cheese board that I kind of decided on was a piece of cake because it's cheesecake board.
Oh, get out of here.
I mean, it's so easy. I can't believe that it took me this long to come to it. So I have chocolate ganache, whipped cream, marshmallows, graham crackers, broken ice cream cones.
Genius.
And
This is so
also tons of mini cheesecakes that you can cut into bite-sized pieces and dip or layer. Come on, girls.
So was the
Yes.
idea you
Get
like,
in here.
you like
Can we
personalize a
please?
little
Yes.
plate? Okay.
I'm
here,
trying to
here.
be polite, but
No,
I'm like,
I
can
know.
we
We're
talk
gonna
and
give you-
eat?
gonna
I
give
just
you
sit
out
right
of the way here. Just gonna come in
Oh my God, there's a reason I love you both so much.
And
This,
some
I
fruit.
mean,
Take a little cheesecake.
oh.
Do you know how much
fun,
I
right?
love cheesecake? This is my go-to dessert on a good day and a bad day. Like, this is my thing right here.
Right, it serves multiple purposes.
An vanilla wafer. I mean, it's like banana pudding and cheesecake had a baby with
I think that's a big idea.
You know what? You heard it here on the Good Dish.
Tomorrow on the Good
We
Dish.
never let you down.
There you go.
And just in case you are a cheese board extraordinaire, go ahead and tag us in your best cheese board photos on Instagram, and we will be sharing our absolute favorites to inspire all of us at the end of the week. And let us know if you tried either of these gorgeous boards at home. You should.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.